Kia ora koutou. In today's video lesson, we are going to answer the following external patai on probability methods. So patients see a doctor on average after 34 minutes with a standard deviation of 8 minutes. After how many minutes will 90% of the patients have seen the doctor? So with a mean of 34 minutes and a standard deviation of 8, we get something like this. There's our normal distribution curve. The mean is 34 minutes, and every time 8 minutes is added on, we see we go up 1 standard deviation, 2, etc. Now, we don't know where exactly that line is going to be yet, but here's what we can say. So 90% of the patients will have seen the doctor. That means the 50% on the bottom half, and then up 40% more, this will be where the value of X is, where 90% are below. So now what we have to do, since we know the probability, which is 90% is below X, we have to find the Z value that gives 0.4 as the probability. Because as we know, the table that we're familiar working with, this table will give you the probability that the standardized normal random variable Z is between 0 and Z standard deviations. Now, again, we know 90% are below the X, so that means the probability of being between 0 and X is 0.4. So we need to look up in the table and find where does a Z value give a probability of 0.4. So looking through the table, we want to find 0.4. I can get as close as 0.3997, which is a Z of 1.28. Now I need to get 3 more. And if I go too far, that's going to get me past the 90%, or in this case, 40%. So 0.3997 plus 2 is 0.3999. That means the third decimal place is 1, making my Z value 1.281. That's the Z value that gives a probability of 0.4. So I know the Z value, I know the Z, I know the mean, and I know the standard deviation. Only thing I don't know is the X. So I put all of that into the formula. 1.281 is X minus 34 over 8. I times these two together, so X minus 34 is 1.281 times 8. Those multiply to give 10.248. Add 34 to both sides. X is 44.248 minutes, which translates into 44 minutes, 15 seconds. 90% of patients will be seen within 44 minutes, 15 seconds. Please let me know if that was helpful, if there are any additional patai. As always, thanks for watching. Maori mahi, Maori ora, ka kite ano.